What's up, everyone? This is Carlos with Day Trading Tickers. I'm going to show you guys how to effectively draw your trend lines. If you don't know what a trend line is, you pretty much just draw your support and your resistance, and this will help you figure out where the breakout is, where potential support, where potential resistance is. So I'm going to show you the steps that I take when I do this. So I normally do this every other Sunday. I draw all my lines, set all my levels, and then the reason why I do it every other Sunday usually because there doesn't seem to be a lot of change throughout the week, but there will be breakouts throughout the week, and I do adjust my levels accordingly. But like when I say every other week, it means that I remove all my lines and I redo this whole process every other time. But every Sunday before the new trading week, I do check my levels, see what broke out, and then change it there. So that's how I go about it. So this is the weekly chart. As you can see here, I have the max weekly. So what I like to do, I click on this price level. So if you didn't see, I click on this drawing tool, I'll click on price level. And what I do, I start drawing my support and resistance that I see. So for an example right here, this is obvious resistance because I've tapped there, fail, tap there, fail, tap there. And what I do on the weekly, so first this trend line, this is how you're gonna get it like this. You wanna right click it, edit properties. You want the right extension on. If you want, you can put the left extension on, and then show price on the right. When I'm on the weekly chart, I change it to green. So save as default, and now it's straight across like that. So the reason why I change it green is because throughout when I'm trading, when I see a green dotted line like this coming up, I know it's a very strong support or resistance. So if it breaks below this level, I have a strong feeling it's continue going down, or if it breaks above this level, then I have a strong feeling it's going up. Because this is the weekly candle, it's a strong support and resistance. So what I definitely do, I usually start from the bottom up, so 465, so 44655. There's the resistance because that's the high that it's ever gone. So I normally don't go all the way down here because the price level is not even near that, so I'm not even gonna be seeing it. So I usually generally kind of zoom in and get closer. So there's support right there, there's resistance right there, and then there's support right there. And I do this with every single stock that I have. And then once you get better and faster at this, you don't necessarily have to do this consistently. Like, it doesn't take you that long. So then now generally I see the weekly is done. Then I go to the daily. So now I see, okay, well, how is all the charts looking now? So I still keep it on this trend line. So there's the support right there. But now I changed the color. Change it to like to this pink. Save as default. Boom. There seems to be resistance right there. There's support right there. There's another support right there. And then what I do you see this gap fill? So what I like to do is I kind of like to use this rectangle because it lets me know that there's a huge gap fill within this level. So below the 431.49 all the way down to 425.67. So lets me know it has room to go all the way down here in case it goes down. So I go back to this price level, and that's really it for now. So when I go to the 4-hour chart, I do the exact same thing. I find the support and resistance, so I'm going to draw a line right there. I'm going to change the color now to orange, so let me know that it's like an hourly time frame, not so strong as the daily and the weekly resistance. And as you can see, as you go through the smaller time frames, They do overlap with each other, and you don't necessarily have to do that much extra work. And that's really it. And then the reason why I don't do the like the 5-minute chart is because they're what I normally do is I just set up my lines, then I make it white, knowing that it's like the minute chart and it's not that strong of resistance. So resistance right there, and that's really it. And then I do that with every single stock that I'm looking at that's in my watch list. I do the exact same thing. So as you can see, when it broke above this used to be the high, when it broke that, it continued to go high. So it just lets me know when where the levels are, and you just want to be prepared. So while you're trading throughout the time frame, let me go back to Apple. So if I go back to like the 5-minute chart, as you can see, let me just remove this 1 minute. As you can see, like the range has been hovering between these two daily resistance. So it really needs to break above this for it to kind of go up any higher. Now there's a resistance right there a couple of days ago, and then once it breaks here, then it has room to go up here. And that's just how you this is how you find out the risk to reward ratio to it. But that's really it. It's super simple. The more often you do it, the quicker it is just to draw your lines. I usually get all of this done within 10 minutes, so it really does not take that long. But set up your levels every weekend, and then remove all of it and reset it every other Sunday, and then every Sunday you just want to update your trend lines. But that's it I have for now. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I'll be providing you guys a lot of content. You can also follow my Instagram, and I'll day trading tickers, and I'll see you guys soon.